Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, them boy, them people every day, them get up on my name. Every day.
Okay. So when none of that come,
Very soon.
you sure right data?
Yeah.
Lord God, the data mad say she a chatter with people.
Yeah.
And them sitting there, if you sit down and they chat, you're pitting them.
Someone thought that I bring her down. She make big get down run left far.
Yeah, where's the people them? Other day, me put up me sitting with Dawn. She take it up on her head, but oh, she see them. I put up picture with dog head or whatever she said, but a roof gang with name, so blah blah blah. Where's Dawn? Roof. Where your dogs at?
Anna, you fucker, you're down in the garden hiding.
Yes, sir.
You fucker, you because he's not my man meat. You fucker, you. No for two blood clot, no for little, the all woman. What you going like a young blood clot, girl? Tough on all and backy, like sweet, me see. Man, I stop laugh after time. I don't care about nobody else. Me I laugh.
Me too, I'm wanting no say me a laugh and me I repeat this with them people them say, yep.
See, I know say a fear fake page come on her live. Shame like a dog. Shame like a dog.
And in trouble with
Well,
so harsh with the situation.
Lord of a post today. Nana, you get 24-hour water stamina. No ease up. Nana will never do a girl out here so like that. Yeah, Nana, you beat myself. I someone will miss one too. And get 24-hour. Yeah. Or get a voice note with Carleen or Rubber Road.
Miss Wang are all news. But when Miss Wang there when Nana need her help?
She was over there today on the live cussing as well. Cussing when Dan was on the live with her.
We can't save Nana. I saw we like single out people. Nana and focus for we target. You fuck
Yeah. No, I forget a voice note with Carleen. I bring down Miss Wang and give her 24-hour. Because she said the people that take Carleen phone, so I have to prove it to the people them outside. So she's a liar. I have to beat it in her head. One Carleen rubber road Carleen from the prison, just me record it. Somebody record it and send to me. I'm make Miss Wang feel like a dead dog.
Yeah, but I mean, Tanya said, Carleen compare just beat her with it sitting them with that chat about her.
Yeah.
I did chat about Carleen, yeah, and her family.
Candy, me want to see if Dan was really going Carleen was really gonna go on down live. Me want to really see if Carleen was gonna really go on down live.
Well, we know it not happen to the graduation day, but we'll see over the weekend.
Nana, we never do a girl out here like that, you know, yeah, we'll beat you and teach you. Hey, Candy, I'm going over the live with Brandon Puss Crown and give to you. Bumbo Clap!
Yeah, man. Bring her down.
When Puss with them on Brandon live, I robot Kim Puss slap the blood clot.
Oh, you're about Kim today?
Oh, my Brandon live. Brandon said,
but Kim a handicap her somehow. If you make one straight one girl about your man.
Yes, six sides with Nana upon her man. Like, me say I could have insist on me a claw. I'm going to mother could have get away with that.
Candy, not even my mother can't rub up my man.
No.
Girl can't rub up
If
my
I'm mother, me allow that. If I'm mother, me allow that. But
are you crazy?
any other girl, no, me I bring you down.
Yeah.
Sister, cousin, side girl, anybody, me I bring you down. Don't fuck with my man. Me I different with my man.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Not even your mother can supposed to get involved.
No, 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 I have to stay out of that. But I'm not going to bring down my mother or fee mother.
That's right, baby.
All them are my people.
I said, Diary, Brandon make me sit up on the trophy about Kim. My blood clot. Brandon says, see, Oko, yeah, only tell me, say, don't add Oko. Me add all of the enemy upon this blood clot. Oh, God. Yeah, Candy. I don't tell
Yeah.
lie. I don't tell lie, Candy. My laugh to death, Candy.
Crossy TV went over there.
Yeah,
Crossy
Crossy
TV,
TV
you
was
did
over.
over there. Because me miss all of that. I'm not going to find nobody else place for watch nothing.
Crossy TV was over there, man. Brandon says, oh, hey, Candy, one of the time when I send the request, I'm think I'm not going to say, lift up. When I say, hi, Brandon, bring them down, Brandon. Brandon
Good God, Karen, say
said,
true.
true.
Yeah, me wake up too early and then me went
Brandon
right
Malika,
back
something
to
nice,
sleep.
who
Candy, them
sent call me?
lava.
I want me hear something below.
Lava, a while ago when the girl across that China,
China.
she said none of that chat your name about something I can't
No,
remember, but
she was saying
Yeah.
she and
So
Lava catch up on Foley Live and Nana tell her say she block
eh?
Lava for that cause Lava a fuck with
say
her
you can't
friend.
come back on her page and them sitting there
Yeah,
arguing.
and you can't come back on her page.
I say you're none of the things, girl.
So what she said that for
She
now?
love buy out people why that's why she a get fucked right now. Fuck
What I
her.
did?
You walk around and friend everybody.
Who
I
was
want to buy
spin?
out everything.
Uko.
That's why.
And you know you when the chat came.
What is man? I'm not here. Chow. Uko, what else am I do now?
You sit down and chat Kim with everybody.
What the rat
Yeah, try hook
like
up China
this?
with Brandon. Like, yeah, fuckery. And
That's
that's when
right.
you be. You
Diary.
really just friend the people them for what them can give you, them money.
Them
So bad, Candy.
Diary, you hear me?
Yeah, me I hear
Yeah,
you,
me I hear
babe.
you.
I
So
hear
what
me.
you said
You have
me
so
do
much
now?
dirty laundry. Why you crying when the
And you
people
not
married
hear no
man?
more?
Eh? Listen, that?
I don't know. Can they a spin? Can they a
Lad, we
spin?
can't hear him.
On my side, Messi can they a spin?
Nice
Uko,
too
you hear me?
fine.
Yeah.
Was a true because me say Kim a blood clot mascot for have Nana for the pan live with Nana and a class man. Are that the problem?
Yeah, probably.
Really? But that's
No,
a
the
good. But
girl said she liked you.
Nana say where she were?
No, the girl said none of chat you.
Chat me. So what? Nana can't blood clot chat me. So
Never
what?
say no, no.
Well, I know her
You
from
like
over London Vice page. So when Nana can chat say about me now say what?
she said one day when you come for China, oh yeah, try come back on her live and she don't add you. So she say she not add back over her page if you go away.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
God, not
I think of something more significant than this. I think say it's $1,000 I win. Or I get a scratch off or me I win $1,000 a day for the rest of my life. What the fuck? I try this the bird just waiting up out of my blood clot sleep for. Come on, diary. Come on. Then really?
I mean, help.
I think
Me
say,
just say me never know you're not
you know,
things.
kind of go away your blood clot. And a girl now suck my pussy. And I know where your blood clot come. We don't do that. My name not spelled with blood clot salad at the front.
Me never see a woman love cosmate.
No, don't do that, diary. Salad not there at the front of my name. And my last name and I might have blood clot. So please don't go there. Come right back, wheel, and come a blood clot again.
What's wrong? I'm telling you, Kim look like a fucking wackout out here. Cock up on a bomber clock like would also should have chat me before, so I know the reason why I know. So okay, so alright, so what? I say what I'm saying, if them want blood clot chat, them supposed to chat a medium one, lava, yoki. Yeah.
That me know.
Pussy clots. You know what? I can make too much blood clot mischief out with people when they do nothing. And I know exactly what's the problem because guess what? Them expect say like me if I come and lynch up with them. I don't want from nowhere. Me rather come over here to make diarrhea blood clot class me. Yeah. Fucking bright. Too much man. No one can make too much problem even when there is
Don't
none.
call me name because you know me not class yo.
Figuratively speaking, you don't know we are intelligent girl. You don't understand figuratively
What's the class
speaking.
be like a class me every day you can't leave.
We supposed to blood clot class. At least we know what we are talking about. We can sit down over here and we have little differences and something. Nobody not carrying a washing pot warm, no big washing pan for the blood clot body.
I want the president of the Baga EPA Association.
Me, I will keep them pan them arthritis foot in a car. Me no fight fear, you know. Oh.
What want to she?
But don't.
Or she?
My mind they tell me though. My mind they tell me.
I because someone gonna say that I say wait, not
No. Listen, me and my nephew, we done talk about it already. And we done say, boy, the amount of people where she blood clot chat, I might as well, it look, who to tell if she not chat with it, so.
Oh.
We done the size up that already, because we get to find out say every bleeding mama blood clot body get a slice of chat. Me no shock.
Hey, I'm telling you, Kim mad. Kim, you know, shame.
No, she look, listen, Oko, we need to give
Yeah.
out a blood clot waka at the year award. Cause I
Me?
see, oh, you for there with a man for almost 10 years. Brandon said 9 to 10 years him there with blood clot Kim and Kim cock up with life with girl. I talk about oh our man body wall a leak
But
blood.
seriously,
Sick
can I just say
girl.
something? Can I just say something? Can I just say something? Can I just say something? Lava.
Yeah.
That bit that was shot true talk is 100% true. That's why I'm not really like Kim, and Kim is a fucking two-faced bitch. And sitting there making a friend chat to her own man where she come on media and cry for the man.
Mm-hmm.
Like Kim is delusional. I've been telling you that I'm from Ramping Shop say she's toxic. She don't like when I said that. From Ramping Shop said it to me. I pick it up from that time when Ramping Shop come on my live. I made her do the live with her. I pick it up that Kim is what? Yeah,
You know,
pick it up.
say some psycho them here, them have some blood clot wacko.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kim two side na blood clot. Kim, I don't know what kind of secret Nana have for you, but let me tell you something. You can pray to God.
No, but you can't say that. You know, hear what Brandon say. Kim no Nana fuck in her house and fuck. You know, yeah, not how much fucking Nana fuck and Kim watch Nana fuck.
Somebody
Brandon,
You know why I believe that too? Cause Nana like to come out here and say, you know nobody else fuck me more than not nice. Like she always try to make that a point.
And
Like you don't know anybody else fuck but not
but
nice.
you don't know, say I be a fuck a girl for them something they can do.
Yeah, trust me. That's why I mean, trust me. I knew something. I didn't believe it, but
body count. Talk it truth now.
she goes out
One
of
man
her
take and
way
say you
to
know
make
Mary
that
have a little
point.
lamb. What the fuck? She can't say anything what she wants about the one blood clot lava, you okay? A Florida I'm living, I have my blood clot, US citizen, you know. Babylon now look for me in our blood clot. I see me name Ivani. I will stink out. My man they don't tell me already can because guess what? From my sister, everything and everybody. You say I'll dance sky where she there over the cock up with your class kind of blood clot. I'm gonna tell you something. Me, myself, and I came to that decision when I said, oh my God, Nana chat. I don't know Brandon and I don't know blood clot. Kim and she chat them with me.
Yeah. She chat them with everybody. Like, you know much people me coming at me inbox like these are people.
That's why I
Like
feel some
them
type of
say
way,
most of the,
Candy.
them say actually smudge it today say everything them know about
And Nana
Kim
tell
and
them,
about Nana, Kim and Brandon tell them.
okay,
Everything them know about them and Nana tell them.
okay. Let me tell you something. Not less than a month ago. That's why when me see Nana back with Kim, I was like, what the fuck? And what this? Because the girl long as she talk, she tell me some elusive things about Kim. Kim a Salamite. Kim
Oh,
dick
that's
long.
why she asked you ready for block you for China.
Oh, well, I know. When me looking at my inbox, me say Nana send me one message. I say, diary. I don't know what she gonna ask me or how she reaching on my inbox. But Nana, me see
Listen, I
her
true
and my
me not
girl
like
back.
listen, girl, I true me not like problem of blood clot cause all you share come for the other day and I come in my inbox and write up one bag of things with and I send picture and all of them something the bumbo clot
So
come
me
it's still in my
my inbox
inbox.
I look friend from
Oh
me and me
what?
don't look for her. Candy me did send me come here to the
Jesus Christ.
time. I me can't
What
go
you say she
find it.
do? I come and look friend for you?
Yeah, she said
Mercy,
diary. I don't
full
know
She
if
was
she tell
so
her
deliverance
say
up
well
in
caller.
this
something
mix
wrong.
up cause when the girl them up on Facebook argue, she has send me them live like and all of a sudden because when I agree with everything Kim has said, she take it up on her head to come
Our big
class with
head.
me.
Fuck that.
Last week, you know, some over TikTok and everything from what you can there. And I say, me and my own a little business over TikTok and everything. Lo and behold, I came over, I woke up one morning and I came on Instagram. And when I say so, and I come on Instagram, I say, Nana inbox me in my inbox. I tell me about, oh, me for one, Baga TV and Candy. I say, oh, me for one, them my big people.
Stop one yourself.
I don't know. So I tell her, he's not a news carrier. Anything she have to tell her, she telling her blood clot self.
Run
Simple
all
as
out
that.
of me.
So I say, girl, are you come? And I said it to her. I said, I'm surprised at you, Nana, because
No,
oh,
we
you
know we
become
do
friends back
a
with
China
Kim.
that. No, we not block your other page. Who black? Oh, lava. Remember your lava ketchup. I must lava block you. I know Uko China. China can't get black them
Yeah,
time, you know,
China
cause
and me did block you. What you say me do now, my love?
she
What
not
you
say
say them say?
do nothing. She
No,
just when they
what them
say,
say me do, you know, my love? Oh, them did a chat me to my mind, they tell me already. Then supposed to chat them on my blood clots. Yeah. I mean, I take up myself and come pick up myself and say, China.
As she set up China finna like
I
yeah,
thought
that's the
my mind did blood clot tell me. My mind did tell me. Because the way out China did a blood clot come for me, I wonder out of nowhere. All of we used to laugh and talk and then out of nowhere, Mr. China just stays and one night and just stays and start come out for me and I run some serious joke. I mean I say I want to that big pussy girl and name blood clot China. Hey girl, don't play with me certain joke, but don't run. And me and China kick off on the live and sitting so till me end up me and I go back and forth so till me say, hey Bumbo world girl, you know what suck your mother? Boop. And me fling out one black and I know me not really black people, right? So you see, when we see that happen, and I see how she did it and did that go on, my mind is done blood clot and that's why I did the number one best thing that I know how to do best. Avoid and be unbothered.
China say fi handle black her so she can talk the thing.
May I come, me soon come, let me go unblock you. What your name again? Tell me the name, my love. Type it, let me see. Well, me not have enough, so just let me know.
China at school, our page name.
China at school. Me soon come.
Yeah, Nana.
oh na. Oh na.
You fucker, yo. Leave we make we blog and talk to people them business and then bring it out here, come buy out argument, you fucker, yo. Look at this. Not even 1 week later. Few days later, Nana gets bring down by her crew. Oh God. Why sweet me a fuck?
These handicaps. Candy, these handicaps.
But not even know see so long yeah try program in China girl. Because me think I can hope live it start. But no, a long time yeah try program her and I tell her hope her life to go on. Where? Them the pick me them. I who this?
Brandon.
Oh, I'm Brandon page.
Build them in your life, bro.
Love still up here, spin. Take her down up.
No, love, I'm going.
Let's spin.
We don't need to add lava. I want to talk to lava.
Okay, get them send me, love.
Brandon send me a £50.
Okay, love, let me tell her.
You want now push no easy, you know. But the situation with lava was not supposed to go like that night, and Nana caused everything.